ready to unlock awesome skins and battle passes, but your Fortnite gift card is throwing a tantrum. Don't rage quit just yet, because I'm about to show you exactly how to get that bucks flowing. First things first, make sure you're redeeming your gift card on the official Fortnite website. That's Fortnite.com. Redeem, double check the URL to avoid any scam sites trying to steal your hard-earned bucks. Now, scratch off the foil on the back of the card. Gently ripping it off too hard can damage the code, making it unreadable. We want to avoid any code casualties. Enter the code exactly as it appears. Pay close attention to uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and any tricky characters like zeros that might look like the letter O. One wrong digit and it won't work. Select the correct platform associated with your Epic Games account if you play on PlayStation. Make sure you're redeeming it to the PlayStation account, not your Xbox account or PC. Once redeemed, hop back into Fortnite and check your bucks balance. Sometimes it might take a minute or two for them to appear. If they are still missing, completely close out the game application and reload it. Still no luck? Alright, time to call in the big guns. Head to the Epic Games support page. You can usually find a contact form or live chat option to talk to a real person who can help sort things out with your account or the gift card itself. Be sure to provide them with proof of purchase. And there you have it. With these steps, you should be back in the game with a fully loaded bucks balance. Now go out there and grab that battle pass. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Fortnite tips and tricks.